In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import any product from AliExpress to your Shopify store. I'm also going to show you guys some tips that you can do to make this even better. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify and log into your Shopify store. Now, I'm going to use this store for this video. Now, next thing, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Click on apps and sales channels. Now, click on Shopify App Store in the top right. It will take you to this page. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to search for dsers, as you can see. Now, this app will help us import products from AliExpress to our Shopify. Enter that, click on enter. Now, click on this app. It's called dsers AliExpress dropshipping. Click on it. You want to click on add app. Next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on install app in the top right. Alright, now it will take you to this page. Now it may not show you this not, as you can see, but if it does, just click on a login. Okay, now it will show you two different options at the very bottom. Because I already have an account, that's why it says that. Now it will say there create account for you. Just click on create account for you and just log in, like sign up. Okay, now if it take you to the login, you want to click on create account. Because this is your first time using dsers, you want to click on create account. Now I'm going to click on login. Yeah, if it makes sense, just create an account here. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on, I'm going to X. You want to click on home in the top left, and then you want to click on Chrome extension. It will take you to the web, to the Chrome web store. Click on add to Chrome. Click again on add extension. Alright, now click on where you can see like the extensions. Click on this extension button and make sure you click on pin. Now it will, as you can see it here in the top right, in the top. Now you want to click on it and then click on dsers. It says here log in to dsers. Click on dsers and you want to just log in again. Okay, it's simple as that. Click on log in. All right, now we have successfully logged in to our dsers account. Now this is exactly how you can import any product to your Shopify. Go to AliExpress now and search for any product, for example this one. Now the reason why I told you guys to download the extension, like whenever now you go down, whenever you scroll down a little bit, you will see here add to dsers. Click on it and as you can see it says here importing. Now after it says here AliExpress product import success, go to dsers and click on import list in the left and you will find the products that you have imported from AliExpress. We have imported this product. Next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on push to Shopify and then make sure you click on also publish to online store and then you want to click on push to Shopify here. Okay, you want to click on push to Shopify, and that's exactly, guys, how you can push any product to your Shopify store. Now if you go to your Shopify and you go to products, you will find that product here and you can also edit the product if you want. You can edit the description, you can edit everything you want. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.